Okay, hi everyone. This is Jill.
Hey guys.
Jody. We want to share some videos with you about our relaunch of our Fireweed Yoga teacher training program. And today we just want to talk about collaboration. We kind of live in a society that is competitive. And it's always sort of like, watching each other, making sure that you're trying to do better than the person around you or whatever. Mm-hmm. And there's something about that, paradigm that we've gotten really good at it in our world, and we've almost overdone it. And we've forgotten about collaboration. We've forgotten about cooperation. We've forgotten about collective leadership and coming together sort of as equals. And there's something really powerful about that idea right now. I feel like it's a bit of the yin coming into our yang. I feel like it's a bit of the feminine energy, like that chaos energy that there's no real structure of, no one's at the top and no one's at the bottom. There's not this linear sort of thing happening. It's like more cauldrony, right? Like there's more just like a whole bunch of ingredients coming together. Yeah. And what we found with this word of collaboration is that first of all, we must collaborate with oneself.
With ourselves, yeah.
And the word yoga means union of mind, body, and soul. So this idea that your mind and your body and your soul have to collaborate with each other, and that there's a coherence then. And in that, when those three pieces of you are coherent, then there's an authenticity.
And I think the word collaboration also is answering a call from within. So there's an agreement, there's something external that is coming into you that you are then having to say yes to and collaborate with.
And like a divine energy coming in. And so now your collaboration with yourself is also with universe, with spirit, with divine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And so beyond self, then that goes out into the collective and out into the... And I think collaboration is one of those things that almost always works the opposite way that we think it's going to work. Yeah. We think that if I get together with another person, that I'm going to diminish or dilute me and the things that I have worked so hard to achieve or worked so hard to do.
I'm going to give them away to someone else.
Yeah, I'm going to give away all my secrets or whatever it is. And the universe almost always proves that to be wrong. Yeah. That when we actually relax that part of ourselves, when we say yes to our own collaboration with another person, it's almost like the law of the universe gets together with us and says, okay, you guys are going to go farther together than you would just on your own. And it's exhausting on your own in some ways.
And you think of the two paradigms, like collaboration versus competition. And competition is based on that idea of like, there's scarcity, so we better grab what we can. Yeah. And collaboration believes in abundance. Yeah. And so does yoga. Yeah. Like yoga basically says, come on, people, like there's enough for all of us. Stop hoarding, share what is in with you. What are your gifts? So one thing we discovered when we taught together last time is that we entered into that yoga teacher training believing that this was a collaboration between you and me. And we were collaborating to deliver something.
And it was.
Yes, it absolutely was. High five, partner, because we did a good job. It was amazing. But what else was it?
It was a collaboration with the students that we were teaching. Yeah. And that once we got that collaboration with ourselves, collaboration with each other, then that almost leaked into a collaboration with the teacher trainers who then became our teachers and each other's teachers. And it's just endless. And it was just this massive, almost like a social experiment that we conducted of how impactful it can be to come together with other people, to share your gifts, to learn and glean from other people theirs, and that we're all just better off for having sat in circle with one another.
So in the end, what we sort of discovered about teacher training is that it was our job to create the structure of the teacher training.
The container of what was going to happen.
The container of what was going to happen, the structure, the details of, the day-to-day, when's lunch break, stuff like that. But the universe dropped in the energy, the divine magic, the collaboration of each soul that showed up for the teacher training.
And it's magic.
And It was big magic.
Yeah.
So if they are interested,
if you're interested in joining in a collaboration with yourself, with Jill and
with
I,
us,
and with
the
others in your
universe.
community and the universe, then you can check out all of the details on firewoodyoga.com, and you'll find everything you need to know to how to join us.
Enjoy!